Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're comparing the proposed quote-unquote long stay visas with the previously created smart visas. And I discussed smart visas before they were even created and officially sort of brought online. We kind of analyzed them as they came along. And I kind of felt like this comparative analysis might be somewhat useful. Good jumping off point for this is from a recent article from the Bangkok Post, bangkokpost.com. Article is titled, Long Stay Visa Becomes Sole Enticement. Quoting directly, business leaders suggest the government use the new long-term residence visas. And I've done other videos on this. Residence, that's kind of a misnomer. In the layperson sense, it's okay in that, yeah, it's a long stay visa, but it's not residence. You're not a permanent resident in Thailand with these visas, at least as they've been proposed. This could change, as we've noted in other videos. This is only approved in principle. We have not actually seen what these look like. So the practicalities and how exactly that all plays out remain to be seen. Quoting further, use the new long-term residence visas to attract foreign professionals, especially in the fields of information technology and engineering, to work in Thailand as they can help the country with technological development. Quoting further, the Board of Investment is also running the Smart Visa program, which also aims to attract foreign investments. Yeah, in a lot of ways, there's seemingly a lot of overlap between these two, and we've quoted in other pieces of information in other sources that it looks like BOI is going to administer this new long stay visa program. Now, paradigmatically, the way that I look at this a little differently is the smart visa, essentially the protocols or criteria associated with issuance had to do with the business activity you were looking to undertake in Thailand. These new proposed visas, it looks like they're more concerned with the type of person coming in. For example, there's been discussed, again, none of this is set in stone, but there's been discussed a wealthy retiree visa. There's also been discussed sort of a nomad visa if they can prove up a certain amount of income per year. So the thing that I would say in taking away from this video, what we're looking at moving forward with respect to these proposed long stay visas is that the long stay visa adjudication is looking at the person, whereas the smart visas kind of looked at the activity. Now, again, there's overlap here, so that's not a cut and dried analysis, and it's especially not cut and dry because, again, these are only approved in principle. The press has been all over these visas and talking about them as if it's a foregone conclusion, as if we know what the requirements are. We don't. The regulations have not been published yet, at least as of the time of the filming of this video. As soon as they are, we'll certainly update you on this channel as that situation evolves.